Amanda from WTI. If you're like me, you do need a good screen protector for your phone. I recently got an S22 Galaxy phone and my husband was able to find this. It's an amazing cover for it and it's a screen protector. Now I'm going to show you guys how it's done, how it was set up by my husband, not me. But what I loved about it personally was, again, the anti-scratch resistance, the flexibility to set it up, which was with ease, but additionally the high touch sensitivity on it. It's easy to use. Once we set this up, my phone seemed like new. The screen was perfect, the clarity was there. I loved it. So let's check out the video so you guys can see how you're able to set it up with ease.
All right, so phone is prepped, set up. The screen protector is laid on the top. We see this gel-like material. We spread it against the screen protector and the phone. And he's just layering it down. Now we lift it up with ease and you start pushing up the screen protector till it can lay completely flat on your phone. And this is something that's easy. And you do the same thing for the bottom part. As you can tell, you just lift up the right there and start pressing down so the screen protector can lay completely flat on your phone. Just minor details at the end. Make sure everything is good.
Did you see that? My husband's so good at this. He got it. And you guys can too. It has instructions and it even has like a scan that you can use with your phone to see the video to know how to install it. We have, I personally have liked the setup for this screen protector on my phone. I love it and I know you guys will too. And that is my point of view.